Well, I'm officially around halfway done with packing up my Lego collection. I've been collecting for a year and a half now, and as you'll see, I have quite a few rarities because I'm quite a wise collector, and that's quite a good looking tower, if I must say so myself. I still have all these to do, which is quite a lot, I guess, in the scheme of things. It's that thick for that pile of books, and about that thick for that pile. And also, in this container here, we have lots of very lush carrot minifigs, I guess is what you call them. I'm not sure. Minifigs, yes. Look, even a Darth Vader. I think we've even got Chewbacca in here somewhere. Oh, the 20-year golden Harry Potter. I love collecting. Can't wait till I move my home and I can set up all this again.